Okay, so in this video, I will talk about 5%ers, and they are one of the oldest and quite reputed prop firm in the industry. This is their website. Okay, so if you go to their website, then you can see there are multiple details about the company and about them, and there is a small video you can watch that. Okay, so it's a 10-year-old prop firm. Okay, it was founded in 2016, and if you see here, so they are having more than 20 lakh 73,000 of live trading accounts, and their employee base is 149 in 23 countries. As of now, they have onboarded 336k traders, which is a very huge number, guys. And there are multiple, tutorials have been provided. This is their team. Okay, so if you go to the HR, you can see these are their HR teams in finance and risk ops. This is their finance team. Okay, and this is their executive team. Okay, so like it was founded by Gil Ben Hur, and Saul is their CEO, and it's their COO, and also you have all the transparency. Okay, and the good thing is about they are having very good programs, and their programs are mainly for the long term traders, the people who are actually looking to make a career in prop firm industry in 1 2 or 3 years, or maybe over the time. Okay, and their program require you to have a very good risk management. It's not like they are looking for some people who want to achieve 20% 30% of payout in a month and risking a lot of money, I mean. So here you can see that they are having two option. One is for the CFD and second one is for the future. Okay, so when I go to the get funded, I can see that they have CFD, which is um, the forex, and they are also having the future. Here we will review the CFD. Now I'll go through one step and two step program. About the bootcamp, I will make another video. Okay, and when you go to learn to trade, so they have different blocks. They have their own academy. They are having performance coaches, and they are having tools where you can review the SS specification chart about the market sentiment, economic calendar, and indicator. So just go through all of this and like get yourself accustomed with their platform and about their team. So when you click on meet 5%, so here you can read about their company, what they have done before, where are they based. They also have a community, so you can meet the community traders, and they are having multiple industry partners and about the news. And they also have a YouTube community with the same name. So they are having the live trading room, and they provide consistent content about interview with the fellow traders, and on the risk management, how you can pass their challenge and what they are doing so far. When you go to get engaged, so they are having different contents, and so you can review that. And in it also have for the events, and they have affiliate program. So they are also having a lot of trade talks, so you just go through that. Okay, now we will go to the CFD, and the first we will be looking into step one. So step one, they also call the hyper growth, and step two is the high stake. Okay, let's go on the step one program. Okay, so you can see here that you can scale your account, like as I mentioned, that 5% is are mostly for the serious traders who are looking to make a career into trading and prop firm industry, and their plans are focused on long term. So they have a very good scaling plan, provided you achieve the milestone. So you can scale your account up to 4 million, and your account will be double after every milestone. Okay, the profit split will also be increased to 100%. There is no need for the daily stop loss in the one step account, and there is no time limit. You can take as much time as you want. Okay, and like they have two options. One is for the pro growth, and second one is for the hyper growth. In pro growth, they have account from 5k to 50k. In hyper growth, they have account from 5k to 20k. Let's go for pro growth. So here the profit target requirements is 10%, and the stop out limit is 6%. Daily loss is 10%, 3%. Sorry. So for example, if you take a 10K account, then you need to achieve $1,000, and your maximum loss will be 600, and the daily loss will be 300. Okay. Profit split is up to 100%. There is no time limit, and leverage is 1:30, and the cost is $74. And when you are funded to the live account, they are having the same rules. And there is one more thing, like during the evaluation phase, they have the minimum profitable days requirement, which is 3. So in 10K account, you need to achieve at least 0.5% of profit for 3 days. So for example, you made $1,000. Okay. So in $1,000, at least you should be having consistent profit of $50 each for 3 days. Okay. And so these are the trading rules. This is about the funding and payout. So you can take payout every 14 days, and first 14 days and then add 2 weeks. About the risk management, you need to look into their drawdown limit, which is 3%, and it will be based on the starting of equity and the balance. If we go to the trading rule, your account will be double on target. Okay. And the growth will be up to 4 million. About the leverage, they have mentioned it's 1:30. News trading is allowed. The assets, the financial instruments that are available are FX, metals, indices, and crypto. The platform is MetaTrader 5, and you can access it both in DEX, web, and mobile version. Okay. And there is no need of minimum trading days. You can complete as many days as you want, provided you need to achieve the minimum 3 days of 0.5% requirement. Okay, you can hold the trade over the weekend. And about the maximum capital allocation, they have mentioned it, so just go through that. Okay, so this is their scaling plan, and this is excellent. I mean, this is the the most important thing that I want to tell you. So for example, you start with like we were discussing about 10K. Okay, so you start with 10K, and your milestone will be 10%. So once you receive $1,000, okay, the profit split initially is 75 to 25, so you'll be getting 750, but your account will be scaled to 12,500. Okay, and when you reach the milestone of 10%, so it will keep scaling your account. So it's a very good thing, guys. It's like you will have, although you are having the same profit target, but you will have your profit compounded. Okay. And when your account will reach 350K, then your profit split will increase to 80% to 20%. Okay. And when you so 500K is the maximum allocation in phase 1. So just go through that, and if you are having a good strategy, and even if you are having a like a decent win rate like 50 to 60%, but you are having a good risk to reward, then you can surely manage this account. Yeah. um okay, so now we will go to step 2. So in the step 2, basically they also have the scaling option. So your account will be scaled on every 10% of target, and rewards are for the first step. Okay, and they also have the eligibility for fixed payout. So like in one phase account, we didn't had the fixed payout, but in two-step account, once you receive a certain account size, then you have the option to receive the fixed payout, and also you have the profit split. And the profit split start from 80 to 80% to 100%. Okay, and they are having two options. The first one is new, and the second one is classic. So there is one difference, like in new and classic. So if you see that in classic, they have the profit target 8% in phase 1 and 5% in phase 2, whereas in new, the requirement for profit target in phase 1 is 10% and in phase 2 is 5%. And also there is minor difference in the cost. So like it's $19 and it's $22. Okay. Let's take an example of 10K account, and we will go with the new. Okay. So here you can see that they also have the minimum profitable days to be 3. So you need to achieve 0.5% of account balance for at least 3 days to pass the evaluation. The maximum daily loss is 5%. Maximum loss is 10%. So it's static. So the maximum loss you will have is $1,000 and daily is 500. Okay. The profit target is 1,000. So 10%, which is 1,000. The cost is $69. The same thing applied to the step one. Just in step one, your profit target is 5%. Then you will be moved to the funded account. And in both three cases, at least you need to have the minimum profitable days of 3 days. So at least, for example, you make the profit of $1,000. So at least 3 days, you should be having profit of at least $50 or more. Okay. And here also, like and this cost will be refunded, okay, with your first payout. So in the trade funding account, you have the 5% of daily loss limit, which will be $500 in 10K account and $1,000 in 10,000 account. Okay. Once you receive the achieve the milestone, then your account will be scaled, and you can take payout as long as you want, and then you will get this amount as refunded. Okay. And they're having different trading rules, like you need to place one trade in 30 consecutive days. So the leverage is 1 is to 100, whereas the leverage was 1 is to 30 in phase one. Okay. And I already mentioned about the profitable days. You can hold the trade over the weekend or the on overnight. Okay. When if you are holding the indices over the weekend, then it has a high swap. Okay. This is the rule about the news trade. News trade is allowed, but you need to execute the position either before 2 minutes or after 2 minutes. Okay. And the instruments that are available are FX, metal, indices, and crypto. And the platform is MetaTrader 5. And you can read about the maximum account. And here the scaling will be up to 500K. Okay. So let's see. I mean, this is the best thing that I like about this form. And so basically, if you start with 10K account and you achieve the 10% milestone, then your account will be increased to 12,500. And when you achieve your milestone, which is 10%, then it will keep increasing. Okay. And guys, this number looks small, but just imagine that, for example, you are on 200K account and you achieve your 10% of profit target, then your account will be scaled to 250K. Okay. And your profit split will also increase to 90%. And when you scale your account to 350K, then you will also receive 4,000 of fixed payout just for managing this account. And once you achieve your milestone of 10%, then you will move to the next scaling plan, which is 400K, then 450K, and 500K. 500K is the final destination of this account. Your account will not scale more than 500K, but you will receive a 10K dollar of fixed payout and also 100% of profit split. So the main trick about holding this prop firm account is like you need to have a very good risk management, and you don't need to achieve this 10% profit target in 1 month. Even like there is a very you know nice rule that, for example, you are having a 100K balance and you with your strategy you achieve 3% of profit target in that month, which is like $3,000. Okay. So you can take the payout, but still they will count that towards your milestone. So in next month or like in next 2 3 months, if you once you achieve your 7%, then they will scale you to the next level. So yeah, this is all about them, and we will be talking about the boot camp. Boot camp is mostly for the new traders. So I will advise you to go through that, and in future I will also discuss about some of the rules or the strategies that we can use to pass this account. Okay, so thank you. Have a good day.